So this is the Ubuntu system. Let me check the IP address. So this is the IP address 172.16.63.191. So I am trying to SSH to that machine from a remote machine. So I am trying to SSH. See, I am getting an error. Connect to host port 22 connection refused. To fix that issue, we need to install SSH server in this Ubuntu machine. So we can install SSH server using this command sudo apt install SSH. So when we run that command, you can see it installed openssh server. So installation has completed. See, it has installed openssh server and SSH. So now let me try to SSH to the same machine. See, now it's working. Let me enter the password. See, I am inside. So let me check the version of the machine. It's Ubuntu 18.04. So this way we can fix that connection refused error. Please subscribe my channel if you like this video.